Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80D03002, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and reopen it, though it will need a few seconds to launch again because it's rebuilding the cache. Okay. Now, the second solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. I have a command for you. I have shared it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on PowerShell, and then paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.